Yep.
What's up guys, it is Joseph Brackett here from josephbracketfitness.com. Today, in this video, I'm going to take you through one of my protein pancake recipes that I top with peanut butter and some cherries on the side. Now in total, there's 466 calories, there's 39 grams of protein, 55 grams of carbohydrates, and 10 grams of fat. And that is a total calorie and macronutrient breakdown for 3 pancakes with peanut butter and cherries. Keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how I make this.